Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a color change animation for text in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Align the text layer onto the screen and adjust its duration by dragging the edge. Open the Effects panel by going to Panel on the right side and selecting Effects. In the Effects panel, search for the Color Balance RGB effect. Drag and drop it onto your text layer. Customize the color change effect by adjusting settings like the color balance to achieve the desired color transformation. Adjust the speed of the change by creating keyframe and moving the playhead forward and changing the color setting to achieve a new color. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. You'll see the text change color smoothly over time. Now you know how to create a color change animation for text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you found this video helpful.